welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to install a front and rear license plate on a 2020 Hyundai Palisade with only a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, let's go. After you buy a brand new car from a dealer, the DMV gonna ship you this package right here. In there there's like 2 license plate total, and also there's like a registration for your car. Somebody call it like a sticker. So here you go. Here's a sticker, here's a month, and here's a year. I'm gonna show you how to put it on in a second. Okay, the license plate that they sent you, it's the same, like 100% the same. So in here you can see it say month right here in this corner, and the other corner is gonna say year. So basically it's very simple. If it say month, take that sticker out for the month of February. Make sure you clean it, because this thing gonna stay on. You're not gonna replace it, it's gonna stay on forever. You're trying to light it up nicely, put it in there, let go. There you go. So you got the months on, and I get the years on. Same thing, try and light it up. So this one, every year you're gonna get a new sticker, okay? Alrighty, it's ready. Now this is gonna go on the rear because it's not the registration, the sticker on there. It's gonna go on the rear. The front one is just gonna be the plate one, alright? Open up, tell you out for let your emotions fall on me. Open up. Open up. And then this one, you're supposed to discard it, like cut it, shred it or something, but it's gonna be in the trash. And this is what people call the license plate frame. So this is just the one that's gonna go outside of your license plate. So this is the plain one. Okay, this is the front. I'm gonna put this on here, light it up. There could be a many different license plate frame, but this style right here is kind of like a hook on, slide on something. Oh, slide on right here. You slide on from the bottom. There you go. Make sure your hole is lined up, and then all you need to do is slide it back to the hole on the license plate bracket on the car. There you go, your front license plate. Now let's go to the rear. Here you have 2 options. Either you could use a Phillips screwdriver like the front, or you could use a 10mm socket to check this out. But just remember, if you're using a socket, do not over tighten it. If you mess up the thread in there, good luck getting it fixed. Most of the time it's like a plastic rib nut in there. Once you busted that, can't go back. Oh, look, like this one has like a little piece of the foam in the back right there to help it from vibrating. It's the same thing. This is a license plate frame right here. This is the front of it. I'm gonna turn it to the back so you guys can see. This is a real plate. You slide it from the bottom, and then put it on. Open up. Alright guys, so there's how you install a front and rear license plate. It's very similar to all the cars in the United States. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more new video. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.